Hello and welcome to today's topic, digoxin. Digoxin, a cardiac stimulant belonging to the cardiac glycoside family, a inotropic drug. Other cardiac glycosides are digitoxin, digoxin. Cardiac glycosides are obtained from the foxglove family plants. Digoxin is obtained from Digitalis lanata. Mild to moderate cases of low output failure are not controlled by diuretics. There, digoxin may be used. Digoxin improves cardiac performance in dilated and failing heart. If there is association with atrial fibrillation, digoxin is the preferred drug in such patients. Some terminologies to know. What is preload? Preload is the initial stretching of the cardiac muscles prior to contraction. They are related to the ventricular filling. Next, what is afterload? Force or load against which the heart has to contract to eject the blood is referred as the afterload. Any myocardial disease or hypertension or vascular disease can manifest as cardiac failure. This cardiac failure leads to decreased renal blood flow, due to which there is renin release. The angiotensinogen is converted into angiotensin 1 in the presence of renin. Further, this angiotensin 1 is converted into angiotensin 2 in the presence of ACE, angiotensin converting enzyme. This angiotensin II causes vasoconstriction, which in turn causes increased peripheral resistance, because of which there is increased afterload, which worsens the condition of the cardiac failure. Another condition is where when the angiotensin II releases aldosterone, which increases the retention of salt and water. Due to this retention of salt and water, there is increased plasma volume. Due to this increased plasma volume, it manifests as edema, both peripheral and pulmonary. Due to the increased plasma volume, there is increased central pressure. Due to the increase in pressure, there is increased preload. This increase in preload worsens the condition of the cardiac failure. Actions of digoxin. It slows the heart, slows the AV conduction, prolongs the AV node's refractive period, increases the force of contraction in a failing heart. Mode of action. It inhibits the sodium-potassium ATPase in plasma membrane. The increased intracellular sodium reduces the Ca++ calcium extrusion, thus increasing the concentration of calcium ion. Thus, there is increased force of contraction. The pharmacokinetics. It is given orally, usually with a loading dose. It is excreted in the kidneys. The plasma T-half is approximately 36 hours. Uses of digoxin. Used in atrial fibrillation. What is atrial fibrillation? When there is an abnormal impulse in the atria, it is referred as the atrial fibrillation. Heart failure. When diuretics or the ACE inhibitors aren't working, we use digoxin. Adverse effects. Dysarrhythmias due to block of AV conduction and ectopic pacemaker action. Yellow vision. Everything starts appearing with a yellow tinge. Nausea and vomiting. Special points to note. There is only a narrow margin between the effective dose and the toxic dose. Decreased plasma potassium concentration increases toxicity due to competition between the potassium and the digoxin for the sodium-potassium ATPase. Digoxin acts at the main site of action, thus preventing the cardiac failure. To conclude, exercise should be regarded as a tribute to the heart. Thank you.